All right, John, how you doing, brother? Thank you for saying that. Yeah, it's a beautiful view here at Mom's house. Just waking up. I like to wake up slow. Got a few sips of coffee. Mm, doing okay, man. How about you? What's going on today? You got more going on than I do. That's for sure. And well, you got more family. Although I gotta tell you, my roommate was on the floor this morning. She fell and she's got stomach issues. I called 911, but then she said, "Nah, I don't need it." Because when I called, she was like almost out of it. And then I gotta go check on her again. I checked on her about 10 minutes ago. Check again. Cause she's just laying on the floor, says she's okay. Gave her a pillow. Uh, I can only do what they want me to do, you know. That girl belongs in the hospital. Yeah, I'm getting excited. Yeah, that coffee's kicking in. So maybe I do have more going on than you do, John. Anyway, how's your daughters? There you go. It was cool to see you over foodies this morning. That's all right, man. Thank you, sir. Good to hear your daughters are well. Not too hot yet, too, right? Ah, I love the mornings. Quiet, cooler.